I'm Mark Jones. I'm a senior UX designer. Have been for about 15 years. Been working in agile web development for the first sort of 5 years of my career. So working on managing projects from startup web developments through to applications. And then in the past 10 years, been working as a UX consultant. So been working for some large companies like Coca-Cola, JP Morgan, lots of different startups. So I've been working on e-commerce projects and just far too many to mention. It's been a long career of 10 years with lots of different employers and lots of different contracts. My initial route into UX came from technology. So I was working in web development management, so managing projects, and then kind of realized I was doing user experience design. From then, I've just been delving more and more into the industry as the industry grows, and trying to, really try and stay on top of all the different trends and all the different cycles it goes through. And yeah, and that was kind of part of the reason why I wanted to speak to you guys about the whole idea of the product owner. So the product designer, which is something we're going to be talking about in the actual class itself. We're going to be looking at product designer, so really focusing in on what it means to become a top product designer in this lovely day and age we're living in. And I think there's a lot of ambiguity about this role, so we're going to be looking at clarifying what it means to be a product designer, what the actual term itself means, and then we're going to be looking at the actual the main application of product design, so what it means on a day-to-day basis, and then how to get hired. So we're going to be looking at how to get hired in this role. There's lots of crossover between UX design and product design. A lot of companies don't necessarily know the difference. There's a big wave of companies that are now transitioning from UX designers to product designers, and a lot of job descriptions remain the same. However, for the larger companies, there is a difference between what a UX designer does and a product designer does. And this session is designed to help people understand what it means to be a product designer, how the difference is, and where we can use our kind of resources to find really the best way of articulating to a hiring manager how we might put that information into our case studies and disclose it within interview scenarios.